I'm going to walk you through how you can apply for a Colombian tourist visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa, it's always very important that you check the requirements as per the official site. And as per the official site, that is covering the location where you are living, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you may have, you may or may not need a visa. So that's very important. All right, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Colombian government site where they have given the requirement for tourist visa, and what they have given, like the fee, valid passport, two recent 3:3 photographs, okay, white background, documents of economic capacity sufficient. So that means your bank statement, job letters, if invited, letter of document, okay, photocopy of electronic form or the respective ticket, return ticket, okay. So cost of visa USD 45 with the exception of the countries below, okay, fine. And you need to pay to at two stages. At stage one, just to process, and then stage two, when they determine that yes, now it is ready to go to the next stage. So see, they have given here general instructions. Okay, you need to submit an application online where you need to attach the documents. Okay, they have given the file specification and file types. Okay. Okay. And they have said all document issues abroad must have a apostille or legalization and official translation into Spanish when it is not in this language. Okay, wow. As I was telling you, the visa process into two payment stages. One is the corresponding to the study of the application where they'll go through, and second, if authorized before the issuance of the visa. Okay. Now the stage one is non-refundable, and you will go into stage two only when stage one is successful, right? And they can also call you for an interview if they want. Okay. They have given a timeline also, like when you got to pay. Okay. Now the general requirement, you need to fill the visa application form electronically available. You need to attach photograph. Passport you need to attach. Okay. Now with minor and disabilities, they have given more records, so we don't need to go through that. Now, before we go for, like, do we really need a visa? So list of countries they have given who are exempt from short stay visa. So if you are from these countries, you are exempt from short stay visa. So suppose you are an Indian national, so you need a visa. India, I don't see here. Okay, fine. Other passport, this we see national stay is conditional short stay visa. So conditional, okay. Short stay visa waiver. So what is visa waiver? Nickel pro nationality, okay. If you have visas of Schengen, United, like you can go through it. I don't have to go through all, but these are the waivers. Okay, if you fall into this, you are all good. Okay, now we'll go through the link. So this is the link. So they have given the information also. Photograph, payment methods they have given. So you need to check this one. Okay. They have given a guide also there you can go through. Passport. Now I'm just putting sample, guys. It's not real. When you do it as per your case. Date of issue. I'm just putting sample date. Date of expire. Authority. I'll just put India. You can get this information from your passport. Date of birth. 97. Yeah. Country. Okay, this field if you have previously made an application. Okay, fine. Send robot. Continue. Okay. So applicant is given. Okay, visa, class of visa. I select visitor. Depending on your category. Activity, what you will do. I select tourism. Name of applicant, main applicant, India, by the foreigner. I click on continue. Applicant. Do you have any other nationality? Matter status. I select single. Whatever is applicable in your case, you're gonna do that. Academic training level. I select graduate. Knowledge area. I select engineering. Okay. Sub area. Wow. Home address in your country of national permission in your current location. So this is simple. I'll say New Delhi. Can I search it? New Delhi. Address. Do proper. I'm just doing sample, guys. Address where you will stay in. Wow. I'll just say Bogota. Expected address. Do nice and proper address. Don't do like this. Telephone are covered by the applicant. Do you have any social media site? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Email and where you are gonna confirm. So I'm gonna see you in the next page after I do this. Which is the visa type tourism. I'm just putting this, but you do it as per your case. Have you ever been denied? Have you ever had a visa before? Colombian visa subject to consider non-admission? I select no. Additional, have you ever been expelled from, deported, legal penal process, without a visa stay, immigration card? No. Do you have family? Are you outside of Colombia? I select yes. Whatever is applicable. Country where you are, I select India. Whatever is applicable in your case, you can do that. Yeah. Digital photo you need to upload. Now these are the documents that you need to do. Okay, you can always use translator. Let me see if I can translate. Yes. So you can upload the documents here. Health coverage. Okay, health insurance. Finance. Letter of invitation if applicable. Otherwise, like travel plan. Okay. Hotel reservation and all. Okay. Then coming from the applicant, informing full applicant. Okay, perfect. Passport. Yeah, so you can upload this. You can go ahead, confirmation, pay the first payment, and then if it goes smooth, they ask you for the second. That also you can do. And if everything goes smoothly, then you are good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.